Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my vegan sourdough discard cornbread. First, we're going to need to melt a whole stick of butter. Yes, a whole stick. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 2/3 a cup of cornmeal. We're going to add a whole cup of sourdough starter discard. Mine is on the thinner side. If yours is thicker, you might want to mix it with some plant-based milk or some water. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix that together, cover and set aside while we make our vegan egg replacer. I am using Bob's Red Mill here, but you could also do an equivalent of a flax egg. We will need 2 eggs worth of substitute. Mix that together and let that set for 5 minutes to thicken up. While that thickens, I'm going to be preparing the last few ingredients, which is 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll add our last 3 ingredients to the mixture and mix it together until it's well combined. The batter will be very thick. In an 8x8 baking dish, you will want to line it with parchment paper and then plop your batter in that using a spatula or damp hands to smooth out the top. Then we're going to bake it for 20 minutes. Check on it, and if it's not brown enough to your liking, bake it for an additional 5 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it cool completely in the pan before slicing. Serve it with a slathering of your favorite plant-based butter. Enjoy!